What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we have a bit of a different one. It isn't involving scooters at all or cars, so this is actually something that I've been meaning to do for a while now. My poor little PC has pretty much given up on life, and yeah, so we're just gonna basically assemble a computer with all this sorts of stuff, and hopefully that'll help me out with future proofing and stuff like that with the upcoming videos and obviously stuff way off in the future. But yeah, I've got all this stuff here, and it costs quite a lot, more than I'm willing to admit. I'm definitely new to computers, so this was definitely an experience for myself and a bit of education as well. And hopefully along the ride I can maybe show you guys a couple of things, or if you're just here for general looking into the build that I've made for editing my videos and stuff like that, which then makes me wonder. I wonder where I put the invoices.
Babe, what's this?
That quickly solved it. If you guys want to know exact details and everything like that, because I'm kind of just going to jump straight into it, unbox a couple things and see what we have here, just so I can show you guys. Yeah, the link will be like the description. In the description will have everything exactly what I've brought in detail. If you are curious or a bit of a nerd on what I've got here and want to just know exactly what it is, it will be down in the description. But apart from that, let's get into some unboxing stuff, which we always love. So let's start with the old, actually no, let's start with the big box. The case. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Woo! Anyway, that is a thick boy. So guys, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to pretty much move all this stuff around and categorize it how I was told how to build this. So tower needs to go on its side, it's on its back or on this side here. And we're going to start seeing what I need or what's inside this currently, and start getting the motherboard prepped up to take the SSD card. And the CPU, so we'll probably do that first before we load it up into the case. So I'm going to do that one real quick, and I'll probably bring you in close and you can see over the top. So I was told basically the motherboard basically makes for a good working platform just for this small bit. Here we got the, oh yes, it's got that cool stuff. Anyway, how much we love that, especially here on DC Unplugged. I love this stuff. Alright guys, so we got stuck in doing fan stuff and the radiator and everything like that, so I just decided to just smash it out of the way. GoPro overheated, so I was just like over it and I just wanted to get the wiring done. So anyway, it's all been mocked up now. Pretty much turns on and stuff like that. It's all I can really do in this video, but I thought I'd just get some pretty cool shots of it as it is, and maybe some, you know, running shots of it in its startup kind of stage. So but yeah, thank you all very much for watching, and yeah, new PC rig for editing and stuff like that. So I'm hoping to really up the game on these editing, because yeah, this has been the Achilles heel for me. So thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And for now, let's have a look at a couple of those rolling shots.